I just purchased this home in South Carolina, and this is my backyard, and I'm going to be making over this concrete slab into a fire pit area. It's got a big crack down the middle, and I've pressure washed this and it's completely dry. So first thing I'm going to do is repair that crack. I picked up this polyurethane sealant at Home Depot and filled the entire crack. Then I wiped away the excess with the putty knife. I let the sealant dry for about a week, and then I went on to priming. I primed the concrete with Bare Concrete Primer. This went on really easily and dried quickly, and I applied one coat. Next, I'm going to be painting on 2 coats of Bare Patio Floor Paint in the color Cracked Pepper. I used a 3/4 inch nap roller, but I think a thicker nap would have worked better with all this texture. These are 8-foot pressure-treated landscape timbers that we're going to be installing into each barrel. We used 4 angle brackets on each post to hold them securely to the barrel. Now marking where to drill the new holes. The existing holes are there for drainage. With one hole already drilled, we're attaching the post, and then we will continue to drill the other holes. Next, I did some sanding to smooth everything out and applied 2 coats of stain in the color Pecan to match the fence. Here I'm attaching the hooks for the string light kit and also attaching the base for the solar panel that will go on top. To put the barrels in place, we needed to remove the grass and then level the dirt. Once everything was level, we filled the base with pavers and then bricks that I already had on hand, and then we filled all the nooks and crannies with gravel so that that thing was not going anywhere. I added some plastic underneath the soil just to keep it from falling to the bottom of the barrel, and I wouldn't need to use as much soil. Now all the barrels are in place and it's time to install the cable system. This kit made it really easy to hang the string lights and it kept them from sagging. Finishing touches. This set of Adirondack chairs I got at Goodwill for $12. These 4 tables I created from Goodwill plant stands and a vanity stool. Watch for a future video on how I created those. The pillows I also got at a thrift store. They're brand new Sunbrella pillows for only $4 each. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and thanks so much for joining me on this makeover journey. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.